Oburu na biki, Oburu mielana, Odinga mielana, Odinga mielana, Oburu mielana, Odinga mielana, Oburu mielana, shika.
Rais wetu wa Jamhuri wa Kenya, President William Samoei Ruto, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, Waziri wote, all the senators and members of parliament, and all distinguished guests, and all protocols observed. One, Siaya, Umar, Siaya urwako president, erokamano. Siaya mokwongo, achako kakelo numos maduong'. Moa kuom Raila Amolo Odinga, kaka wuod dala uka, ora ni kabiro to modakel mos mamar. Mar ariyo, I want to thank His Excellency the President for coming to our county of Siaya and bringing us goodies and giving us so many good things. But Bwana President, I want to ask your ministers who are with you, who are the implementers of all the things that you promise us to do. Mr. President, please roil them and make sure that they do what you have promised. I don't know, I'm sure you don't know how to roil, what roil means. It means prod them and make sure they do what you have promised will happen. Because, Mr. President, you have received a welcome in this area of Jaluo, more than any other time that you have been around. Mr. President, this is because, first of all, Raila Amolo Odinga has embraced you, and I think it is not bad kurudisha mkono. We know the role you played in 2007 in making Raila the Prime Minister of Kenya. But we also know that you did not just support him there by grassroots. We know these are our brothers here who are our neighbors. The Jalango here on Jelo Jagot. Wote will vote for him man to man. This was a vote which was, there was no other person who received votes here in Jelo Jagot. But here on our land, we did not give you as much as you gave us that time. But we are telling you that as things move, let us continue to talk, let us continue to negotiate, and let our people feel the government. Let our people feel that they are also part of the government. We have given you our cream of the party. We have given you our 2 deputy leaders. We have given you Mbadi, who was the chairman of our party. We have given you Pia Wandai, who was the minority leader in parliament. Mr. President, we have given you the topmost cream from our party. And Mr. President, we don't want them to be walking around. We don't want them to be walking around. We want them to work for Kenya. Let them not come around here providing us with maize. We know this place has very good climate. We can get our own food. But Mr. President, let them work for the Republic of Kenya. And you have said so. I'm so happy, Mr. President, that you have said that as much. And we welcome you, and we hope, Mr. President, that next time when you come, some of these things which you have said, we shall see them done. So these people will be even more happier, and we want to see them more and more integrated into government, in employment, in all sectors of government. Let the Jaluo feel that they are part and parcel. Thank you, Mr. President.
Aya, Joturu Asarach. I now want